How can two healthy parents have a child with a genetic disease like cystic fibrosis? That's how autosomal recessive inheritance works. Each parent carries one silent or recessive copy of a faulty gene. Here, the CFTR gene. They're healthy because their other copies work fine. But when both parents pass down the faulty copy, the child inherits two recessive alleles and the disease appears. This means the affected child is homozygous for the mutation, or sometimes compound heterozygous, having two different faulty versions of the same gene. It affects males and females equally and often seems to skip generations. Healthy carrier parents can have affected children. In a pedigree, it shows horizontal transmission, with multiple siblings affected in one generation. It's also more common in families or groups where people tend to marry within the same community, called endogamy, or when parents share a recent common ancestor, known as consanguinity. Both increase the chance of inheriting the same recessive mutation from both sides. And remember, every person carries about 8 to 10 mutant alleles. Most never cause problems unless both copies of a gene are affected. Sometimes, recessive diseases become more frequent in small or isolated populations due to genetic drift, where random changes in gene frequencies occur over time. When a new population starts from just a few individuals, we call it the founder effect. Their genes, including rare mutations, become common in future generations simply by chance. If both parents are heterozygous carriers, there's a 25% chance that their child will be affected with each pregnancy, a 50% chance they'll be a carrier, and a 25% chance of not being a carrier. Genetics can stay hidden until two carriers meet. That's why it's so important to visit a geneticist before getting pregnant, to study both parents' genes, identify risks early, and be prepared. Subscribe for more quick genetics breakdowns.